Power has been restored to most of the city of San Francisco in the US after a massive outage left more than 130,000 homes and businesses in the dark and brought vital transportation, including self-driving cars, to a grinding halt.
대규모 정전 사태가 있었던 미국 샌프란시스코에서 현재 전력이 대부분 복구됐다는 소식입니다. 이번 정전으로 시내에서는 13만 가구 이상의 일반 가정 및 상업시설이 암흑 상태에 놓이고 자율주행 차량을 포함한 주요 대중교통수단들이 운행 중단됐던 것으로 알려졌습니다.
It was a very big deal. It happened in the middle of the day, 1 p.m. on Saturday, and let's say that's one of the busiest Saturdays of the year, the Saturday before Christmas. Lots of people wanting to drive, shop, etc., etc. And it was a big outage. A lot of the northern part of San Francisco was without power. That continued to grow. Something like 1/3 of the customers in the city for the utility company that had this problem had no power for a while. Still, as of noon Sunday local time, there were 17,000 customers who still had no power, and it was very disruptive. There were significant transit disruptions, according to the San Francisco Department of Emergency Management, and they were saying, please don't travel if you don't have to. Please watch out. Please be careful. And hopefully everybody's okay, but certainly it's not something you want to happen on the Saturday before Christmas.
샌프란시스코 현지 시간으로 토요일 오후 1시부터 대략 어떤 경우에는 하루 그거보다 짧을 수도 있고 조금 더 길 수도 있는데요. 대략 그 정도 동안 정전 사태가 이어졌었군요. 근데 마침 또 크리스마스 바로 코앞에 주말이면은 원래 쇼핑하러 나온 사람들이 상당히 많을 그런 주말이기 때문에 그래서 더욱더 이 정전 사태에 대한 피해를 본 사람들이 많이 있는 것 같습니다. A lot of people were left in the dark.
Yes, here it means they were literally left in the dark, meaning they had no light. They had no power. So if the power was still out by the time the sun set, they would have to cope with just being darkness.
Is there another meaning though?
Yes. Didn't you know? You don't know the meaning of it?
No, I don't.
Were you left in the dark when it comes to this English expression? Yes, because to be left in the dark means you don't know what it is. It's like you have a blindfold on. You can't see what's happening, or you can't hear what's happening. You have no idea.
And it's normally for something that everyone else knows or some other people know, but you don't. So for example, I might say, hey, are you going to the party tonight?
What party? Have I been left in the dark again?
Yes, sorry. I think someone forgot to tell you.
PD Nim, am I not invited?
So in this case, if you didn't know something, you would say, oh, I was left in the dark.
Yeah, or if your friend's having problems, you might say, come on, Sue, talk to me. Don't leave me in the dark. I can help, maybe.
That's another good usage of that expression as well. 좀 비유적으로도 많이 쓰는 표현이죠. The last example you gave just there means let me know what it is.
Exactly.
Don't leave me in the dark.
It's all about information and knowledge and not having it.
그렇군요. 무슨 일인지 좀 알려줘. Don't leave me in the dark도 되고 나만 모르고 있었나 봐. I was left in the dark.
네.
그런데 이제 보다 더 literal한 말 그대로의 의미가 지금 헤드라인에서 쓰인 건데요. 사람들이 어둠 속에 있었다. 즉, 이 정전 피해를 봤다. 이렇게 볼 수 있겠죠. 불이 꺼진 상태로 있었던 거니까. 이 leave, be left 이런 표현은요. 이런 상태로 놓여지다가 되겠습니다. Now, what about vital?
Oh, if something is vital, it is necessary. We have to have it. Without it, well, we won't be able to function, or we won't be able to live, or we just won't be able to carry on normally. So, for example, in this case, there was vital transportation that ground to a halt.
Yeah.
People need self-driving cars, public transport, they need traffic lights. These are all vital services.
필수적인 vital이라고 하죠. 그래서 필수적인 교통수단, 버스라든지 이런 것들도 다 운행을 할 수가 없어서 많은 차질이 빚어졌습니다. Another expression I'd like to look at, although we normally only look at two, is to bring something to a grinding halt.
Okay, well, first of all, we have to think of the sound of grinding. If you've ever ground coffee beans, for example, you know what that sounds like. It's metal on metal.
Sound like? Okay.
Does it not sound like that?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, so it's something that's quite ugly. It's not a nice sound. And it's also, in this case, the sound of metal brakes being put on. So that sound of something trying to stop very quickly and very harshly. So you have a really ugly sound. And if something is brought to a grinding halt, it means something is stopped completely and suddenly.
그렇죠. grinding 한다는 것은 원래 갈다라는 의미가 있어서 커피 가는 소리를 좀 전에 내주셨는데요. 커피 원두 가는 소리.
네.
근데 이제 차량이라든지 기계가 이 기계 음이 날 정도로 멈춘다는 것은 사실 그렇게 정상적인 것은 아니잖아요. 그래서 I guess what was brought to a grinding halt here? A business,
Yes.
businesses and homes and everything, transportation, all of these 필수적으로 우리가 활용해야 되는 것들, 교통수단, 그 다음에 이제 영업장들, 집, 가정집도 모두 다 그냥 멈춰버린 상태였다라는 것을 이렇게 표현하고 있는 거예요.
Yeah.
Everything in San Francisco came to a grinding halt. So it's not a normal stoppage.
No, it's unexpected
Yeah.
and it's problematic.
It is problematic.
You think of
yeah.
that ugly sound means it's an ugly accident of some kind.
그래요. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Power has been restored to most of the city of San Francisco in the US after a massive outage left more than 130,000 homes and businesses in the dark and brought vital transportation, including self-driving cars, to a grinding halt.